In this web application, we are using Prisma ORM for object relational mapping, and we are using useQuery in Next.js client side to fetch data from the APIs. Here, I have three APIs. I have built it. Here it is. We can check it here. Every API is available here. And when we are fetching data using useQuery with a identifier name, when we are using Prisma on our project, Prisma schema provide us some type annotation for data model, and we can see the model on Prisma.schema. Here is my Prisma schema. You can see here some data model like user, product type, seller, brand, and model. So we can import this type to our project, and useQuery creates some issue. Sometimes if we add this type here, so it will create a conflict because brand it is not assignable to seller. Okay, here I have defined model. Okay, not seller, it is a model. So brand is not assignable to model, that is why it should be model. Okay, perfect. And the most important thing is when we are using React query, we cannot find out how to define type inside use query. Should I use query result like this data brand? It can show us error, and sometimes it cannot define the exact method available inside array or object. So this is very critical, and we should not use this use query result. I think it will be better if we can define our response data type inside the fetch request, and when fetch request give us JSON data, we can get this JSON data here, and we can define the data type here. So it is imported from Prisma model type. Okay, Prisma brand model, and it is working absolutely fine. I don't have any error, and I can see my client is working perfectly. My client side is working. Yes, it is working properly. We can select brand name, and we can add new model. Okay, so keep in mind that most important thing is here type checking for use query, import type from Prisma schema, and call API request inside use query to cache with the identifier. Also, use query provide an object. So this type query is an object. Inside this object, we have data key, is loading, error key, refetch method, and many other key and values.